Hey guys, this is Ali and I'm going to show you my new review on my birds. This is my lovebirds. Okay, this is the two male and that's the female. Then this is their food and their water and the nest, and there's a small steel nest. My question is that they don't give eggs, means they don't lay eggs. And I'm giving them vitamin E for them, that's in liquid form that can help them to lay eggs. But there is no use. I'm giving in the water, I mixed it, and the food also, but they are not laying eggs. And if you have any suggestions for me so that they can give egg, please say me, because I'm waiting for them to lay eggs so that we can see the babies. And not moving at all. And that guy, the blue guy, just lost his pair 2 days before she died. And these two green, nearly half year before I bought them. So I don't know how many years old they are. And that guy is alone. Good guys. I just want to know that when they can give eggs, because from half year we are waiting for them to give eggs. We provided everything, a house, a nest type house, which they don't go inside. Once also they don't go inside because I think they're scared of darkness, maybe. And that nest, the girl usually sits sometimes in it, and when I put that net thing over there on the nest, but she just threw it off, and she sat on a plain steel. So please subscribe me, and please comment about what should I do. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.